Hi everyone, and I am Slesha back here on my channel, and today I'm going to tell you that how can we install PyCharm on your PC. First of all, go to Chrome or any other browser which you want, and then type PyCharm download, and just open the first link. In the first link, you will have two options. Do you want to download it for professional version, or do you want to download the community version? So the professional version is not free. You will get a 30-day free trial, and then you have to pay for it. And the community version is open source. You can use it anytime. And I think that if you're a beginner, then the community version would be better because you need not pay for it, and you will get most of the features as well. For now, I'll be going for the community version. If you're not using Windows and you're using Mac or Linux, you can choose accordingly. For now, I'm using Windows, so I'll click on download over here, and you will see this page, and your download will start. It's a quite big file, like it is of 360 megabytes, so it might take 5 to 10 minutes. So let's wait and watch. PyCharm has been downloaded on our PC, so we can click on open, and then it will show a pop-up box. It might take some time. Then you need to wait. After clicking on yes, then you can there will be a setup wizard. So it's a very simple process. You can just click on next, but if you want to change the destination of your file, you can change where it will be saved on your PC. For me it's okay, so I'll be clicking on next. And then if you want, you can create a desktop shortcut as well, so that it will appear on your PC whenever you open it. Then you can click on next simply, and you can click on install. And now it might take some more time to install and download. Till then we can wait. So the setup wizard has finished, and now it has been installed. You can check this checkbox that you will be running the community edition, and then you can click on finish, and then you can agree to all its terms and services, and you can choose it your way that do you want it to send your data or not. And now I think it has been downloaded finally. You can wait for some time. And yes, so it has been downloaded. Now you can click on any you can click on new project, and from here you can choose the type of environment and the name of your file where you want to save it and all. And then you will, when you'll click on create, it will be created. I will be sharing another tutorial, how can we a full tutorial on which how can we create a file in it, how can we run the code in it, Python code, in my coming videos. So subscribe and stay tuned, and thanks for watching till the end this video.